Shirley is back again with another video, and I just wanted to pop on here just to do a little unboxing, or I could say a little unbagging for some products that I received last year that I never actually got to open because I'm still trying to get through the ones that I got on my shelf, which not to say that it's a lot of products anyways, but still I didn't want to open anything and then have things just lying around. So I finally come to the time where I'm ready to use them because I will be taking my hair out soon. As you can see, I already took the seashells out, so I'm already winding down this hairstyle because I need moisture. I need to wash my hair real bad. So backstory to these products: I got them at a hair show from the University of Miami. It was called Heritage, and they just had models come out with different hairstyles from different cultures, which was super amazing. And they had a like a fashion show type thing, but for your hair. And I kind of just, pulled up on them, even though I'm not a student. Like, anybody was welcome to enter. And so I went up there. I had like jumbo gold and black flowers in my hair with my afro, so that was like my little hairstyle. And there were a couple of girls on stage with me as well, but I think only 3 or 4 people actually won bags, and I was one of them. So now I'm here, and I will start to show you what it looks like and the brand, which I have never heard of before, so this should be interesting. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with this rice packet. It's for rice water. And so it says pink swell rice water strengthening protein treatment. There's basmati rice, dried hibiscus flowers, fenugreek powder, and jasmine flowers. And this is what it looks like. Let's see if I could focus more. Yeah, that's what it looked like. Like, the hibiscus is all the way at the top and the rice is down here. But yeah, so that's what that looks like. I am actually kind of wary of trying this because I've never actually tried rice water in my hair before, and I know people say like really good things about it. I just haven't done it for myself, only because I don't like the smell. So we'll see, because I definitely need protein treatment, because I haven't done that in a really long time because I just don't have the time. So I'm definitely gonna find a day to make this for you guys. I'll make it, show you the process, and then show you what it looks like going into my hair. So this should be interesting, an interesting DIY project, which I really love that they even did this. Like, just send you like the package already made for the rice water. Next, I'm gonna show you guys their deep conditioner. It says Nourishing Honey Deep Conditioner. Nourishes roots, strengthens hair shaft, protects strands. And this is what it looks like. It's really thick, so even if I like just kind of just dump it over, shake it, it's not going anywhere. It looks like clay, but it's not. It's more like a buttery consistency. Like, it kind of just like dissolves in your hands. So, and it smells so good. It smells real good, guys, but it's like so thick. So I probably wouldn't say a little goes a long way, because if you have a lot of hair, then you're probably gonna have to use a lot because of how thick it is. Like, it's not like runny or anything, so I'll probably end up using half the jar, to be honest. And then there is a hair growth oil, and the hair growth oil has jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, fenugreek, bringrage, which I really don't know what that is, but I will look it up before I put this in my hair, black castor oil, amla oil, guarana, which I don't know what that is either, ginger root, clary sage, peppermint oil, biotin and fenugreek seeds. Now this oil is really potent, like it's strong as heck. I'm probably just gonna use a little bit of my hair when the time comes because of how strong it smells. And it's not a bad smell, it's just really strong. And then I also wanted to show you that it definitely does have the fenugreek seeds in it, which I have never seen in an oil before, where they leave like the seeds in the bottle, which is honestly so cool. So we'll see what that looks like. I think I'm having a little too much fun. But yeah, so it says to use it like 2 to 3 times a week. You can use it as a hot oil treatment or just as a regular sealant, I guess. So I'm excited to use this for sure. Y'all know I love oils, but I only use like, lately I've only been using my hair oil that I made for my hair, and wild growth hair oil, which now I barely use really. But this should be interesting. This should definitely be interesting. And then it came with a wide tooth comb and a boar bristle brush. The boar bristle brush, I already took it out the bag when I got it, and I took it to school one day when I was in cosmetology school, let someone borrow it, and they broke it in half for me. So thanks. But after that, like the bristles just started like coming out, so I couldn't even really use it. So I guess it was one of those like Dollar Tree or whatever type things, like really cheap brush, which I'm not complaining because I don't hardly use boar bristle brushes on myself. That's why Shorty got her edges still. Okay, no shade to people that still use boar bristle brushes. It all depends on how you use it. It all depends on how you use it. But this one had the really like rough bristles, so that was already like a no-go for me. So can't complain. And last but not least, I thought this was like so cute, but they gave me one of their shirts from their fashion show. Their club's name is Hairology, and that is like the cutest logo ever. And then on the back, it has all the fashion show stuff on it, heritage. And then this is what I liked the most, was this picture right here on the back. I wish it was on the front, like so wish it was on the front. Like it is so dope, and it pretty much covers like what cultures they covered for the fashion show, like the hairstyles and whatnot. So that is what's right there. And yeah, that is all that came in this little here package of mine. Like I absolutely appreciated that their prize was hair based. Like, and I don't think I told you guys the brand name, but it's called Roots of Beauty. I tried to look them up on YouTube to see if anyone's used their products or anything, and haven't really like found any. So I guess no one has really tried this stuff before, or even like put a video out about it really. But I'm definitely gonna see if they have like a website or something, just so I could see more, like, because they definitely didn't put any instructions on how to use the deep conditioner, like literally no instructions. So thanks for coming to my TED Talk, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.